This is a brief demonstration of how the Kodak Info Input solution integrates tightly with Kofax. We start off by going to our job setup, and in our menu you can clearly see there are no jobs in our system, no document classes, folder classes, or field types. So we have a completely clean system here. We use this button here and pick Import Jobs from Kofax. We enter the URL to our Kofax Web Services connector, the username and password, and hit connect. We now connect to the Kofax server and we can see all the batch classes on our server. We simply pick the batch class we'd like to use and hit import. Now our job is in the Kodak Info Input solution, and if we look at the different tabs we can see we now have a document class and field types. We'll drill into our job and we'll quickly just add a separation rule. So we'll tell it to make a new document each time we see a 3 of 9 barcode. When we're done, we publish our job. So what we've done is we've inherited all the settings from Kofax, but we've added one rule here to separate documents with barcodes. We're going to go ahead and scan some work in. You can see our new job has been added, and it indicates that it's linked to Kofax. We hit create and scan and pull our job in. We run some pages through, and we can see our results each time we see a new barcode. We've created a new document. Here in Info Input, we could do some indexing or not. In our case, what we're going to do is we're going to index one document. We'll just put some very basic information here just so we can show you that we passed some data across. So here we entered a case number, and we simply are going to upload this batch. That's it, the batch is uploaded, and from this point forward, we're going to now go look at Kofax. In Kofax, this is Batch Manager, and we're going to refresh our Batch Manager, and we can see this batch is on its way in. So here it says in progress, and the queue is scan. Refresh it one more time, and it's ready for validation. So now when we open this batch up, we can see all the document separation we did in Info Input, as well as any indexing we had done in Info Input. So here we had indexed this case number. There's no need to touch your Kofax server or to republish your Kofax batch classes. That concludes our demo. Thank you.